50. Pruning. There's no mistaking how God deals with us. Our Lord says that we are like branches of his vine, and, quote, "Every branch in me that beareth not fruit, he taketh away, and every branch that beareth fruit, he purgeth it, that it may bring forth more fruit." John 15:2. I thought of this recently when I learned that homes, which once had an increased value of close to a grade school, high school, or college, today often have a lower value because of that same proximity. The reason is the undisciplined character of modern students and their proneness to vandalism. Pruning in our lives is a process of chastening and disciplining. Undisciplined children are unloved children because love seeks the best for the loved, not indulgence. The best is often what a child likes least, because foolishness is bound in the heart of a child, Proverbs 22:15. The Lord is no different with us. He knows how and where we need growth, and his quote-unquote pruning in our lives comes out of his love and grace. Quote, "There is no wisdom nor understanding nor counsel against the Lord," Proverbs 21:30. We need, therefore, to submit to his pruning as necessary for our growth in him.